Hello my friends, and welcome back to another Plan With Me video. This week we are planning for the week of September 12th through the 18th. This is a super awesome week because it is my littlest's birthday. He is turning 7 on Friday. No, he's turning 7 on Thursday, and we're having his party on Saturday. So we're going to get started. We're using a kit from Print Petticoat Bandit. This kit I think I purchased last year. I couldn't tell you for sure if it's still available this year. I'd have to check for you, but I loved the colors of this kit. It is technically a fall kit. I do think fall is in the name, but it has like a very cottage feel to it. I loved the colors and I felt like the designs were very sweet. So there's like a cinnamon roll. It's going to say cinnamon roll. There's like a bonnet, the sweet little cabin. I love the bow. I just really liked the artwork in this kit, so was excited to be using it. And there were more full boxes than there were actual places to put them, so I did have to sacrifice a couple. So I did sacrifice some of the floral ones just because I really loved the artwork. I love watercolor anything really, so that's what suckered me in. I'm going to go ahead and put down the bottom washi next. I did decide to use both pieces of bottom washi because the space was big enough and I just thought it was really pretty, and I wanted to tie in a little bit more of the blue. So I just want to say thank you again to everybody who has been watching these videos. I know they're different than other things I've had on the channel, but I am just really enjoying having this like well-rounded channel. It feels really good to be able to, you know, have different types of videos throughout the week. I don't feel like I'm, you know, going to burn out. I don't feel like, oh my gosh, I have to think of, you know, home decor or cleaning for, you know, 2 or 3 videos a week. This allows me to have more videos in the week, and it allows me to have variety. So I'm really loving that. So hopefully you're enjoying it as much as I am, because I really feel like this schedule is here to stay. Wasn't sure if the Foodie Fridays were going to be able to stick around when we got back into school, but I am absolutely loving them. I will say they're definitely taking me longer than I thought they would, but that's really more on me than the actual video. I just like to have a certain quality in the video, and so I, you know, want to film, you know, when the lighting is right, and I want to make sure I get the right angles, and those videos take me a long time, but that's really just more on me than it is anything else. But I'm just really enjoying, you know, what we've got going on here on the channel, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you to every single one of you who watch my videos, who, you know, take the time to comment or give a thumbs up. I'm not even kidding you. The gratitude that I have, I wish I could show you, because it's just done wonders for me and my family. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so back to planning. We're just kind of doing the skeleton of our week right now. We're just putting down all of our headers and everything. The kit did come with these really beautiful faux foiled date covers, but I did decide to pull out these other printables from a shop called Planning Choco, which I had in this beautiful like dark grayish blue color. Thought that they matched really nicely. I'm using date dots that were left over from a Nikki Plus 3 kit, and we're going to get those down here in just a second. Now, the kit that I'm using, it does actually come with a foil option. So if you wanted to, you could print, you know, the color stuff with your inkjet, all of the black with a laser printer, and then foil it That just sounded like way more work than I was willing to put in. But I did have, ways to tie in different pieces of foil. So it is still fun to tie in a little bit here and there. So it does give it a little bit of shine. And all of the things, there's lots and lots of things on the kit that have like a faux foil. So like those headers that are above the full boxes that have the little bows, those are a faux foil. So it still looks shiny even though it isn't. I'm grabbing these checklists here from Simply Watercolor Co. We used the bows in another week, and this week we're going to use the hearts. I'm just pulling out my X-Acto slice tool, and I'm just cutting those in half because I don't want to use the whole checklist. I don't need one that long, but just a nice little 3 heart checklist, and I'm going to plop that down. Now I was like reconsidering and thinking maybe I should have gone with the Sweet Dainty bows, but I haven't used a heart in a long time, and just thought there's a lot of bows going on in all the other areas of this kit. Bringing in hearts was probably, good idea to switch it up a bit. That's what I thought in my head anyway. So we're going to put those down on every single day, and that'll be our checklist. And then that's it for our skeleton. Now we'll head over and work on our sidebar. So last week I did a habit tracker for backpacks and just checking those every single day. I really liked having that habit tracker. It's so satisfying to check things off of the list, so I like having that there. I've also been known to write things into my checklist that I already completed just so that I could check it off. I'm sure I'm not the only one that does that. I love that this kit comes with a bunch of these scalloped headers. They're so very pretty. So I put that down. I'm just trying to tie in a lot of the blue. And then we're using another scalloped header here that says this week. And that will be the header for a checklist that we'll use to make a cleaning checklist like those others from Nikki Plus 3. I did order some. So those should be coming here shortly. And then in the meantime, I'm just making my own, following with what's on the other one. I love having those checklists. Again, just love checking something off every single week. It's really nice. It feels very satisfying. I was then looking for a little sticker to tie in here for the backpacks, but I didn't have one that matched with those cute little backpacks from last week. So I decided to grab a little foiled icon here from Clever Gal Crafts. And oh no, those I think are from Paper Muse Crafts, I think. I don't think that shop is open anymore, but it's a sweet little mail envelope. I just felt like that was appropriate because that's what I'm looking for, right? Anything that needs to go home to the teachers. So, all right, now we're ready to get into our day by day. So we're going to start off with Monday, and I'm going to start by marking this video that you're watching right now. Again, I'm using a foiled circle sticker that is from Clever Gal Crafts. It's a little heart, and it was in that really pretty like dusty color, dusty mauve. And then I had also had these printable cute little play buttons. I can't remember the shop name right now, but if I see the sticker in one of these shops, I'll tell you. But they're really, really cute and tiny. I did print them and foil them myself. And now I'm looking for how I want to mark that I have a faculty meeting after work this day. So every other Monday we have a faculty meeting, so I'll be there an hour later after work. And it's got a lot of changes going on at work right now with, just a change in some stuff. So I'm interested to see how this meeting goes tomorrow. And then along the bottom here, I'm going to use this little quarter box to mark what we have going on that evening. So my 5th grader has cross country and my daughter has dance. We do not have any soccer that day, so that's a joy. Okay, so this sheet here is another printable. These are super cute little quarter boxes that have Halloween decor on them. I'm obsessed. I'm using one to mark that I'm going to do a reel for a recent Michael's shopping trip that I did. I actually already made that reel. It's super cute. Can't wait to share that with you guys. And then I'm also putting in the dentist. My kiddos have a dentist appointment at 2:30, so they've got to leave school a little bit early. And then I'm also putting in another one of those quarter boxes along the bottom to mark that we've got cross country, dance, and soccer. So busy night. Moving on to Wednesday, I wanted to start by marking Wednesday's video. So again, I'm just using the Clever Gal Crafts heart sticker, and then another one of those YouTube play buttons. And this Wednesday, I'm going to put up my fall porch decorate, clean and decorate. I am obsessed, you guys. I cannot wait for you to see that video. It's my favorite fall video so far. I also put in another one of those quarter boxes on the bottom for soccer, dance, and cross country. And then I'm also using this sweet little like watercolor swatch sticker and a little piece of deco to put in that I'm also going to do a fall porch reel on that day. Okay. And then I also needed to mark my daughter's student council meeting, but I don't know if I did that here on camera or if I did that off camera, but she has a student council meeting that day too. So I have to remember I have to pick her up after school so she doesn't have to take the late bus. Okay. So we're on Thursday now, right? Thursday. We're on Thursday now. Thursday is another busy day. My kiddos, my middle schoolers have open house this day. So I'm putting in open house, and that sweet little open house sticker is from Nikki Plus 3. I love that it's got the little crayons and the paint. Super cute. Next up, I'm going to put in what we've got going on that night. We have cross country. We have a cross country meet that day, actually first meet of the season, soccer and dance. So we got to figure out where everybody's got to be and when, and if we need help getting anybody anywhere, some carpooling. And then I also wanted to put in that cross country meet kind of on its own. Wanted it to kind of stand out. So I was looking for some kind of sneaker. Like for running, and I found a little blue sneaker. I did end up putting it on this little floral flag and put it in here. That's for the meet. I wasn't sure of the time, so I've got to look for that. I filled it in after the fact. And then I also remembered that I have another meeting after work this day for PBIS, which is kind of a bummer because it's until 4:15, which means I'm probably going to miss the cross-country meet, but I might be able to catch the end. If not, my husband's going to go, so he's going anyway, so at least somebody will be there. Okay, for Friday, this is my littlest birthday. I was right. It was Friday. His birthday is 9/16/15, and so sometimes I mix those numbers up. And I think that he should have been born in 2016 because my son right above him was born in 2014, but I often forget that they are only 16 months apart. So I had written it here on this quarter box and then decided that didn't feel special enough. And so I took the little balloons off and decided to add it to a half box. So it felt like it needed a bigger, sticker to celebrate the fact that his birthday is that day. He's turning 7, like I said. So we'll probably do whatever it is that he wants to do for dinner that night. And then we're going to add in Friday's Cook With Me video. So again, I'm just using one of those stickers from Clever Gal Crafts and another one of the little play buttons. And this is a Cook With Me. I filmed this today. It's going to be so good. I can't wait for you guys to see it. A bunch of fun football finger foods. I say football just because it seems to be that kind of, it's that season, but really is just any time finger foods, appetizer style. So good. My family was just beside themselves with joy today. So we all have full tummies from the deliciousness. And then I'm also putting in that I'm going to make a reel for that day as well. So again, I'm using one of the little computer stickers, and I'm putting it on one of those swatches and putting in the little food reel. So I'm having a lot of fun making Instagram reels. I was super against them for a long time, but I am loving them now. I made a goal for myself for this month to start introducing them onto my channel, and now I'm just trying to make it like a regular thing, and I am having so much fun. It's just another way to be creative. For Saturday, we have tons of soccer games this day. In fact, we have 3 soccer games this day. So I just decided to put in a little header. I put a little coffee cup because that seemed appropriate. And then I put a 3-bow checklist to just mark all 3 games. And then I'm also adding in another half box here. This is for Ryan's birthday party. And I used a sweet little primrose sticker from Tickled Pink Planner to mark. She's baking cookies. I'll be baking cupcakes, but same idea. And then I'm also adding in the last video of the week, and that's the Sunday reset. And I'm putting in another one of those Clever Gal Craft stickers and the play button to mark that Sunday reset. And then I also wanted to mark that I would be making a reel for Sunday. Now I got to find a way to film myself like in the moment actually doing the things versus afterwards. So stay tuned. Like I said, I have this thing in my head where I like videos to be of a certain quality, and if I don't feel like I can get them, to be in a certain quality, I kind of avoid it. So we'll see. Stay tuned. I'm just making myself little goals here and there, and I've had a lot of fun with the reels. I'm taking one of these stickers here. Oh, Print and Plan. That's the name of the shop that I get the sweet little play buttons. There's a little watering can that I added for watering the plants. And now we're going to go do some meal planning for the week. So again, I'm going to use some quarter boxes up at the top for each day. And then I also had some stickers, some foiled fork and knife stickers, and I think those are from Rose Colored Days. Those are really old as well, but I thought that they were appropriate. I found them. I thought they were really cute, so I'm just going to add in some of those. So obviously for Tuesday we're doing tacos. We always do some kind of taco on that day, and for the 14th for Wednesday, I did put crock pot meal. I wasn't sure what I was going to do, but I knew we were going to be really busy this day, and I wanted to make sure I had something already in the crock pot ready to go. So that's what I would be doing. On Monday, we're going to do chicken, some kind of chicken. And then on Thursday, another super busy day, we're just going to do leftovers. By this point, the fridge is kind of overflowing with those on Thursdays. So good night. We've got a lot going on, kind of a fend for yourself night. Friday, we'll do something for Ryan's birthday. Saturday is his party, so we'll be eating there. And then Sunday, we're going to do family dinner with my in-laws. So that is our meal plan for the week. Here is a look at my spread. I love the way this turned out. It looks super pretty and perfect for fall. Thanks you guys for joining me in today's Plan With Me video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe. I post new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.